In this video, we will be looking at some detailed functions of the microwave model 3024. To adjust the time, press the clock button, enter the time in hours and minutes, and then press clock. The kitchen timer is a countdown clock. To set, press the kitchen timer button twice and enter time in minutes and seconds. Then press the start button. The countdown will start. At the end of the timer, the buzzer will sound 5 times. You can cancel the timer by pressing stop. Fast cooking is accomplished by simply pressing the start button. Press the plus 30 sec button to add more time. Press power to view the power level. The power level is defaulted to 100. You can pause the cooking time by pressing stop once and start to continue. Pressing cancel twice will stop the cooking. For more cooking control, press the time cook button, enter the minutes and seconds. Press the power button to set the power level. The power level ranges from 10, which is the highest power, to 0, which is the lowest. Then press start. Press the plus 30 sec button to add more time. At the end of the timer, the buzzer will sound 5 times and flash finish. Defrosting food based on weight, press the defrost weight button. Enter the weight in pounds, from 0.1 to 6 pounds. Then press start. You cannot add more time in the defrost. Defrosting food based on time, press the defrost time button. Enter the time in minutes and seconds for defrosting. Press the start button. The power level cannot be changed and is set to 30. Press the plus 30 sec button to add more time if needed. Press the beverage button to heat your beverage. Repeatedly for 1 cup of 8 ounces or option 2 for 1 cup of 16 ounces. Then press the start button. For popcorn, press the popcorn button repeatedly to select your choice. Then press start. You will not be able to add more time in this auto mode. For melting certain foods, press the melt button repeatedly and select your choice. Then press the start button. Press melt to select the weight. And then press start. For melting chocolate, press the melt button repeatedly. Then press start and select the weight. And then press start. To soften certain foods, press soften repeatedly to make your selection. Then press the start. And for butter, select the number of sticks from 1 to 3. And then press start. To turn on or off the sound beeps, select Setup. Then press Start for activation. To turn off the sound beeps, select Setup. Then press Start for activation. This completes the review of this microwave.